everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trending Now. I'm your host Sangamita, and before we get started with today's very exciting video, please make sure you like, share and comment on today's video, and also subscribe to our YouTube page, Radio 1 International. Now, the Met Gala, it's happening tomorrow. Well, technically it's happening today, but we'll get to see it tomorrow. I'm so excited to talk about it. I am so excited for the outfits and the drama that's gonna unfold. So stay tuned to Trending Now to find out more. But here's what we know. Here's who is going to be hosting. LeBron James, Pharrell Williams and Lewis Hamilton. Now there are rumors about Shah Rukh Khan being at the Met Gala, and this is because Sabyasachi, they kept dropping hints here and there about Shah Rukh Khan being at the Met Gala. So people are expecting Shah Rukh Khan. Also, there are some very weird rules this year. Like in the dinner, there's going to be no onion, garlic or parsley because apparently they don't want bad breath. No smoking and also no phones and selfies allowed. So that's pretty weird, but I guess it is what it is. But the theme for this year is tailored for you. Now, what does that mean? This year they basically want to highlight the importance of dandyism and black wear. So I am super excited to see people in all black outfits and looking all dandy. I cannot wait for this. Stay tuned to Trending Now to find out everything that you'll ever need to know about the Met Gala. Okay, now let's talk about this whole controversy around Babil Khan. Now recently it was his father's death anniversary and he posted a little poem kind of thing on some post as a caption. And after that we got this video of him crying, and he seemed to be drunk and he was crying and he was criticizing Bollywood and a lot of Nepo babies. He fully name dropped. He called out Ananya Pandey, Arjun Kapoor, Shania Kapoor, and right after he posted that video, he deleted it and he deactivated his Instagram. But it was too late. A lot of people recorded that and it's all over the internet right now, and people have a lot to say. Some people are genuinely, they feel very heartbroken. They're concerned about what is happening with him because he said some very concerning things, and his behavior in general is just, someone go look out for him, see how he's doing, check up on him. On the other hand, people are did he really have to do this on Instagram, this kind of platform? But you let me know what your thoughts on this entire Babil Khan situation is. Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, final story of the day. Blake Lively finally opened up about this entire legal situation that she's in with Justin Baldoni on an interview with Seth Meyers. Now she couldn't say much, but here's what she said on the interview with him. It's no surprise I've had a pretty intense year. I see so many women around afraid to speak, especially right now, afraid to share their experiences, and fear by design, it's what keeps us silent. She also said, I acknowledge that many people don't have the opportunity to speak, so I do feel fortunate that I've been able to. Very generic, and it seemed because of the entire legal situation, she's bound and she can't really say much. But let's see how this all unfolds, I guess. I've been talking about this for the longest time. But stay tuned to Trending Now for more updates on this entire Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively drama. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please make sure you like, share and comment on today's video. And also please subscribe to Radio 1 International, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
94.3 Radio 1.